Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best FM transmitter for car. I made this list based on my personal opinion and art of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Pluseye Bluetooth Hands-Free Kit Car. Brand name, Pluseye. Model name, Car MP3 Players. BT23 Car FM Transmitter, Bluetooth Hands-Free Car Kit. Makes your travel will be in safety and interesting. Superior sound quality. Bluetooth 4.2, compatible with Android and iOS. U-Disc playback plug and play. Support simultaneous Bluetooth connection for 2 devices. QC 3.0 quick charge. Dual USB output. Power off memory function. One-touch hands-free culling. Bluetooth music player, it is compatible with existing music app and audio app. Number 4. Vanjew Car FM Transmitter. Brand name, Vanjew. Model name, C52S. Full duplex sound quality. Type-C port supports PD fasting charge protocol. Usage 3, support USB flash drive. Display the car voltage. CVC technology to control noise and storm, then to create. The green button can exchange the hands-free call into private call. 2 playing sources, Bluetooth pairing and USB disc, 32 grams. 3 USB output, 2 USB plus Type-C. Type-C 18W fasting charging. Number 3. Anlud Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Brand name, Anlud. Model name, Alt15. Transmit the music from U-Disc or micro SD card to car stereo via FM signal. Transmit the music of your Bluetooth-enabled smart device to car stereo via FM signal. Transmit music to car stereo via 3.5mm aux port. Answer phone calls during driving. 2 USB ports for charging devices. Play lossless music in MP3, FLAC, WAV, APE format from U-Disc or micro SD card. Unique display screen, display car voltage when plugged in. Bluetooth version, V5.0. Number 2. Onever Luetooth Hands-Free Car Kit. Brand name, Onever. Model name, Car MP3 Player. Lossless sound quality and Bluetooth call. Bluetooth music, support U-Disc and TF card, smart fast charge, trial multiple models, Bluetooth hand-free calling, voltage monitoring, navigation broadcast, smart protection chip. Lossless audio decoding, sound quality is more perfect. Files supported, MP3, MA, WAV, most FLAV music. QC 3.0 smart fast charge. 4.1 a dual USB smart fast charge. 4.0 Bluetooth chip, Macu plus DSP dual core processor. Double click on the button. Number 1. Baseus FM Transmitter Car Kit. Brand name, Baseus. Model name, Car MP3 Player. Accelerated charging speed, enjoyable original quality. Quick charge and listen to music, 1 charger is just fine. Flash disk / TF card plug and play. Lossless decoding, demanding sound quality. Bluetooth 5.0 360-degree stereo surround. Simultaneous playback from 2 devices, never monotonous. 3-port design, full quick charge protocol. Never stop charging despite of bumpy. Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures longer and more stable transmission distance. Built-in HD microphone, 1 touch to answer incoming calls, reject, hang up and last redial.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.